Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine, my desi kitchen with the western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of mac and cheese with chicken. Macaroni and cheese. Macaroni pasta cooked with cheese sauce. You can incorporate any other ingredients as well like vegetables, breadcrumbs and meat. Today I'm sharing my version of this cheesy macaroni pasta. So let's hop on to the recipe. So for this recipe, things we need will be, according to the package instructions, boiled elbow macaroni. Then I have some cooked chicken. What I do is I put some boneless chicken in the pot, no water, add seasoning, and then it's cooked until it's completely tender. Then I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'll be using mix of whipped cream and milk. You can use only milk as well. So I have some milk and then some regular whipping cream. Then I'll be using butter, some flour, some chopped onions. For the seasoning, I'll be using salt and some black pepper. And then I have some frozen breadcrumbs which I freeze at home. So all the ingredients and quantities will be on my blog post. I'll leave the link down below. So first step for the recipe is to make a sauce. For that, heat a pan, add butter and then add chopped onions and cook until onions are soft and translucent. Then add flour and mix. We need to cook at this point until you start feeling the aroma of cooked flour. Flour started to change its color and it's turned into a little pale kind of color. Now it's time to add milk. Keep stirring until you add all your milk and cream at this point. And as I said, keep stirring. Make sure no lumps are there. You can use the whisk at this point as well. I was just using the normal wooden spoon. Keep mixing, bring the flame onto the lower setting and then cook until you get a thick sauce. Don't forget to add your seasoning, black pepper and some salt. Now it's time to add cheese in the sauce. Add little by little. First add half of it, mix until it's dissolved, and then the remaining cheese, and then cook until it's completely melted and incorporated with other ingredients. Then switch off the flame, add your boiled macaronis and your cooked chicken. Then mix everything well until the chicken and macaronis are fully covered with your cheese sauce. Now take a 13 by 9 inches pan, spray the vegetable oil or you can grease it with a butter. Pour all your cooked macaroni cheesy mixture and then spread it all around. Then sprinkle your breadcrumbs on top of it and it's time to put it in the oven on 350 degrees and bake until you get a crispy top. It takes like 35 to 40 minutes. So here's my yummy mac and cheese with chicken ready to eat. My kids love this. It's a very yummy and authentic recipe. If you tried this at home, please don't forget to leave a comment how it turned out with you. And don't forget to share it with your friends if you like. And if you want to learn something else, please leave me a comment down below. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates, and all my social media links are down below.